This is our best-selling foldable fat tire e-bike. It's the Taubik Escape. Mwah, we love Escapes. We love Taubik. A few nice upgrades this year, okay? You get to choose between cadence and torque. I'll get into that in another video, but that is phenomenal. You get the best of both worlds. They come in some spectacular colors and new screen. Love it. Look how nice that is. Look how nice that is. So we'll show you how to use this screen as well. New bell. You've got some accessories this year where you can have some bar and mirrors, which we love. They have, the lights are now brighter, 80 lumens. Holy. They have changed their tires this year as well. This is kind of cool because they're not so fat tire. They're a little bit more dual terrain now with these newer tires. The fenders are going back. They're extended more. Your rack has been upgraded as well. And they've lowered the price. These used to be $23.99, and now today they're $21.99. That's incredible. So you're getting more bike and less price, and that's what Taubik does. They are honestly one of the best values, best component for the best price e-bikes on the market. So there you go, 2026 Escape S.